Welcome to this video on logistic regression, a foundational algorithm for machine learning classification. Despite its name, logistic regression is a classification model. It is used to predict the probability of an outcome and assign a categorical class label, such as spam versus not spam. The core of the model is the sigmoid function, which transforms linear output into probabilities. It squashes any real-valued number into a probability score between 0 and 1, forming the basis for classification decision. The decision boundary involves thresholding these probabilities for class prediction. Typically, a probability less than 0.5 predicts class 0, and a probability greater than or equal to 0.5 predicts class 1. Logistic regression has many key applications, ranging from disease prediction in healthcare to credit scoring, customer churn prediction, and fraud detection in finance. The process involves a linear model with unbounded output, which is then fed into the sigmoid function. This transforms the linear combination of inputs into a probability between 0 and 1, modeling binary outcomes. Advantages of logistic regression include its interpretability, computational efficiency, and probabilistic output. It is also less prone to overfitting with regularization. However, it has limitations, such as the linearity assumption and poor performance with complex nonlinear data. It is primarily focused on binary classification and is sensitive to outliers.